Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Jemorag. Currently, I'm 20 and my life's a mess. Yo, why was I about to say I'm 23? I ain't never been 23 a day of my life. But we're about to be cooking. My meat is right here. And first, we're about to clean the dishes and clean this stuff off so we can cook. Because you can't cook in a dirty kitchen. Oh. Okay. Is that clean?
Yes.
Okay, I just realized I never fully told y'all what I was making. So I'm making pork chops, mashed potatoes, boxed mac and cheese. Matter of fact, let's get the boxed mac and cheese out. We're gonna make 2 boxes of this boxed mac and cheese. We got this big pack of pork chops, and this could make we're gonna make 4 burgers with that thing. So we got food all week. Meal prep with me. Yeah. Okay, so the dish is put away. The stove is set. Let me turn this pot of boiling water on in the back. This is for the potatoes. This oil has been warming up. This is for the pork chops, obviously. This is for the burgers. I'm guessing that's for the vegetables. I'm guessing. I lied. This is for the macaroni and cheese. This is for the burgers and the vegetables. So let's just get to seasoning everything. We're gonna season these burgers first and make these burgers first, because the burgers is not a part of this meal. They're just to help here. So these are. Did I put it on? Okay. I haven't used that back burner in a while, so it's a little weird. But let's get these spices to the other counter so we can season this stuff. I feel like being a little fancy with the burgers, so we're gonna cut up this onion. There's a little bit of onion that's left and this pepper. I'm pretty sure this is the only onion I have left, so I'm gonna have to get onions next time I order from the grocery store or whatever. Okay, so the water for the potatoes look like it's hot. It's already on 5, and yeah, this that's oil. This is oil, this is water. I don't know what I'm talking about. Give me a second. Matter of fact, let me turn this fan on, and I'm gonna put these potatoes in this water. So as y'all can see, I made a mistake. I was supposed to cut the potatoes before I put them in the boiling water, but I didn't know that. I'm still learning, so I figured that out. Bear with me. So I just put 5 potatoes in there. It's filled, so I'm gonna add salt and stuff a little bit later. But right now, I put the peppers and onions and the ground beef. So what we're gonna do is season this ground beef. This don't wanna come out and hold up. Okay. So we obviously pour the sauce in here. Adobo. I need to get some more of the other kind. Paprika. Cajun. A little bit of this Cajun. It was the wrong way. What is this? This is Italian. Then a little bit of garlic. Now, this is kind of what it looks like so far. I just gotta mix this joint. Ooh! I just gotta mix this joint. Mix this joint. Make patties. Put them on this pan. The potatoes is cooking. After I put the burger, matter of fact, because I'm just about to make them into shapes now. So I just turn them on. After I'm done the burgers, we're gonna start cooking the pork chops. I should have started doing the pork chops first, because that's gonna take the longest, and that's what we're actually eating tonight is pork chops. The burgers is just for us to have burgers throughout the week, to just boom, put it on the sandwich and keep it pushing. So what we're gonna do is actually 4 burgers. That one actually turned out pretty big. I'm trying to like square it out, cause okay, so this can make 2 more burgers. But hopefully, yeah, it's going to. Now we're about to season these pork chops. Hold up, let's first get some water for this. I start this water boiling for the mac and cheese. And we could also make tea mix. We can make tea mix from the pork chops or anything. Yeah. Okay, so I put the potatoes, I took them out of there because I need to cut them for them to actually do their thing. And I'm about to flip the burgers once I'm done seasoning the pork chops. So I just seasoned this, but the burgers need to be flipped, so we're gonna flip them. Look at my man taking out the trash, y'all. Yes. Okay, so let's finish rubbing these pork chops. Then we're gonna cut the potatoes, and yeah. I need to put the pork chops in there like yesterday. Okay, so I took the 2 burgers off already. My bad, because I didn't show y'all. These 2 are almost done. 3 pork chops are in there. I'm about to put the macaroni and cheese on, like, right now. And I cut up the potatoes and I put them in there. Okay, so the macaroni and cheese is in there. I put a pack of salsa in there. The burgers are done. They're just still on here. Yeah. Potatoes. Let's check on those because I don't know how those are going. They still. Maybe if I put a covering on them. Oh, that will help. And then there's the pork chops left. So yeah. Okay. So we got this plate here because we're gonna take these pork chops out. Matter of fact, hold up. This mac and cheese is done. Take these pork chops out and put new pork chops in. Child, did y'all see that? Y'all could barely see that. I'm already knowing. But next week, I'm getting my tripod with my light on it, so stay tuned for the videos that come in the future. So we're just gonna put in here this time, and then 2 in here next time. Okay, the front is still on. I think the front is off. So this is what the pork chops look like. This is what the burgers look like. Now we're gonna do mac and cheese. So obviously we put these 2 in here. Let me get the cheese from the refrigerator. Hold on, let me get the mayonnaise for the mashed potatoes, the butter for the mashed potatoes, and butter from the Johns. Then we got this big thing, Mexican cheese. We're gonna use some of this in the mac and cheese. So let's go here to this mac and cheese. Ooh. Okay, so the macaroni and cheese is done. The pork chops is the only thing, and the potatoes don't look like they're getting done anytime soon. These are steamed vegetables. Yeah. Ooh. No. My bad. I'm on break. Oh, these are peas. I don't want peas. I want these instead of peas. I thought that was broccoli, and I got a little bit too excited. Hold up. Let me read these. See, so after the 2 in there, there's just 2 left. Okay, y'all. This is a while later. The hamburgers are in the refrigerator, but this is the macaroni and cheese. This is the mashed potatoes. These are the pork chops. And this is the hamburger. And then in here, y'all didn't see me make this. I made this the night before. It's chicken. And I normally eat this. We normally put the chicken in noodles. And noodles or make chicken sandwiches. And yeah. I got noodles in there. We got cup noodles. There's 1 pack of beef. Matter of fact, hold up. But anyways, make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.